Hi, back again. Still cleaning up. What I've got here are two logic boards from a WMF coffee machine, large machine, nice machine. But the problem is that when you don't get a service account with the supplier, they do not provide you any support, parts or whatever. So you have to go to the proper channels, and as I don't have company, I'm not able to go to the proper channels without paying ridiculous amounts of money. So I decided to scrap the machine. It was a 72 liters coffee machine an hour, and yeah. So got the logic board still, and I'm gonna see if we can find some precious metals or find some gold or maybe a nice chip that we can read out and then do some stuff with. So yeah, so definitely has a communication port, some power, and buttons, and this was from the second part of the machine, actually this way around. So let's take this one apart first. And let's see if, just like some other suppliers, they had some weaknesses in maybe solder mask or some lacquer, because I've seen that also. Then you get a very nice machine, but then the PCB next to a steam port, and steam port needs to be serviced once a year, but they don't tell you that because you need to put the new rubbers in, so it starts to leak steam. Steam equals water, so it condenses on your PCB and it corrodes away, and after 3 years, yeah, or 2 years maybe. So when it's just out of warranty, the piece that was not in lacquer is dead, and you have to pay 200 euros for a new PCB or logic board. These machines are a bit better, and they've been running for 8 to 10 years, and look, all those nice buttons, and this one had even the option for 2 more, so they put it in, but they didn't provide the end user with it. And yeah, it just looks like a couple of technical switches and some LEDs. Not much to it. So yeah, low value board, but yeah, maybe sell it on to see if somebody needs it, as I don't. Scrap the machine. Because there were too many problems with it. Leaky seals and stuff like that, and yeah, some worn out parts, and then the supplier going like, yeah, you don't have a service contract, we're not supplying you with these parts, they only need to be done, can be done by a certified technician, blah blah blah. Bullshit. When I'm able to do service on computers, hardware, mainframe, stuff like that, then without blowing it up, yeah, I can do coffee machine. And yeah, I'm a technical, I had a background in technical engineering, and yeah, you have to do some crazy stuff there. So high pressure hydraulics, high voltage, low voltage, marine stuff, army stuff, and stuff like that. Yep. Then they say you can't do a coffee machine. Yeah, right. And then you ask how much does a course cost with you, and they don't come back with you. So they don't want you to be certified and independent and stuff like that. And then you just have to do it yourself. Oh, look like there's a nice grid as well. Didn't know that one. So it could be touchscreen or something. I don't know. Let's see if we can get it loose without destroying it. Yep, it's loose. Yeah, it looks like a touchscreen display. Yeah, problem is I never got this machine running. So that's too bad. But yeah, it was 380 volts, 72 liters an hour, so running it at home was a bit overkill, but yeah. I was also not going to any larger. This is stuck in there really good. Now I'm not gonna take it out because then it breaks. Yep. Well, some nice button pieces, diffusers for the LEDs. So, ooh, got a nice big battery. Do not recharge, disassemble, cross, heat above 212 Fahrenheit, 100 degrees, or incinerate. Lithium. So, what do we have here? Yeah. Some memory, some logic board, some controllers. Not much interesting stuff, but definitely we could try some memory, capacitors, thing. And here we've got some crust. Yeah. Not really much. So yeah. Not much to it. Coffee machine. PCB. And we've got a nice display as well. Yeah, can we salvage that? Yeah. That can be taken apart without destroying it, but then I need some additional tools that I don't have, so yeah. I was gonna take that off. That's it. Screws going in the pipe.